loves, welcome back for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm doing a kind of quick, kind of informal little video. I just wanted to share my unboxing of my new phone with you guys and just kind of my first impressions, all of that fun stuff. I know that the iPhone 11 has been out for a little while now, but I'm still super excited. I'm actually filming this on my current phone right now. It is a iPhone 6S, so I am well overdue for an upgrade, but I've just kind of been holding on to it because it's a solid phone, but the battery over the last maybe like 6 months or so has been pretty quickly going downhill, and I have to charge my phone in the middle of the day, otherwise I just won't have a phone because it's dead. And I mean, I use my phone a decent amount, but I'm not like on my phone all day, and it still at this point just dies really quickly and it's not a good look. So I figured it was time for an upgrade. I've also just been having some kind of weird like glitches and things are crashing, and this past weekend it actually just straight up shut down on me even though it hadn't died yet. I want to say the battery was at like 20% or something, so it just, you know, it was about that time. Guys, I'm so excited for this. So I have the iPhone 11. This is the purple one, of course, as you can see, and it is the 256 gigabyte one, which sounds super extra, I know, but as you guys can tell if you're watching this, I make YouTube videos and I love filming things, and with the incredible cameras, plural, on this phone, I figured I wanted, you know, lots of memory so that I could record videos and vlogs and all that without worrying about the storage on my phone. And also the one that I'm recording on now has 128 gigabytes of storage, and I haven't totally filled it, but I'm definitely on the higher side of that storage. So eventually I need to clean things out, but for now I'm just expanding, and that's healthy, right? So, oh my God, this is satisfying though, I'm not gonna lie, but I like so wasteful. Like, why is the box itself wrapped in plastic? Like, come on, Apple. Here is the important moment of truth. Guys, I'm so excited. I haven't shared a lot of it on my channel, but I'm definitely a tech person who appreciates a beautiful new device. Holy crap, this thing is so pretty. It's such a nice purple color. If you guys are OGs on my channel, you know that I had walls in my like bedroom at my parents' house that were basically this color. This is my all-time favorite color. And so when I saw that there was going to be a phone that was purple, I was like, yes, that, sign me up. This thing is gorgeous, guys. Oh my God. But also it's massive. I wish I could compare with my phone so that you could kind of see the change. I'll have to do that later, maybe on my camera. But here it is. She's beautiful. I love her already. We're gonna do the plastic here. Beautiful. And I guess I can go ahead and try to turn it on. I'm sure I'm gonna have to activate it and everything, which isn't going to be exciting for you guys, but there we go. Here's my new phone, and you can kind of see my old one in the reflection. So let's see what else is in the box while this is coming up. So I think this is just kind of like your standard little, you know, info, power and basic stuff. Oh, saying hello. So I think basically I should go and work on getting this set up before I give you guys any substantial updates, but it looks like you just, oops, I'm dropping things, get the basic stuff in the box. So a pair of headphones, which will have, I believe, the lightning adapter on the end now. Yeah, so this is weird for me because my current phone actually has a headphone jack, so RIP to my life being easy. I need to go and pick up one of the little like dongle adapters because my car is old school, no Bluetooth, and I will need that aux cable because otherwise I'm gonna be very sad if I can't play my music in my car. First world problem, I know, but just the reality of it. And then also just a little charging cable in here. So that is everything that's in the box. It's very basic and all that good stuff, but oh my gosh, guys, this thing is beautiful. I love the sides are like metal, but then the back is glass, which I mean, I already knew, but just like holding it, it feels so solid and like nice. So I'll go ahead and start working on setting this up and getting everything downloaded, and I'll keep you guys posted when more exciting things happen. So I am back. It is a few days later now actually since I filmed the unboxing portion of this video, and I feel so extra filming in front of my like fireplace, but this was going and I was like, this is a vibe. This is where I want to film this clip for this video. So here is my phone. I've been using it for just around 48 hours now, so it's not like a really, you know, in-depth review. I'm still getting used to how massive this thing is. For comparison, I brought my old phone over, so like this is nuts, guys. And I mean, I guess most of you have an idea of the difference in size between the new iPhone and the iPhone 4. I almost said 4. Oh my god, iPhone 6s, which I had prior to this, and I loved this phone, honestly. I would have kept it longer, but it just was slowly dying, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, so it was time, and I'm super obsessed with the color. I think it's so pretty. I just got this little clear case from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys if you are in need of a case and you're getting a new phone anytime soon. I don't think it was very expensive, maybe around like $10 or $15, maybe less than that actually. I'll have it down below if you want to check it out, but I just wanted something for now, and then I'm gonna find maybe like a cuter case later on. But I also thought this would be a fun way to show off the color and everything. And yeah, the whole Face ID thing is tripping me up. Also, not having a home button is so weird, but other than that, I've really been loving it. It's so fast, the battery life is incredible, and it's really just working well. It's just mainly for me adjusting to the size and all of that, but also the camera is so cool. I think I'll just do a little clip right now to show you guys. So, also, please do not judge the background because hello, this is a messy living room that you guys are seeing on the other side of what's behind the camera, everything that looks aesthetic and cute. But the coolest thing is this wide angle, so ready for this? Boom, like you can see my entire living room. This is insane. Also, ooh, sorry, that was the dryer. That was so loud, but it's fine. Anyway, this is the wide angle and there's the just kind of regular, but it's like so cool that this can just at the touch of a button switch up between cameras and record so smoothly. Super into it. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to close off this video because it would have ended so abruptly if I just left it with the unboxing. But if you guys want me to keep you posted on my thoughts on this phone, I'm happy to. I'm certainly not a tech expert, but I do appreciate technology, and I feel like I'm different than a lot of people in the sense that like I don't upgrade the second something new comes out. Like I really buy something and I like commit to it for a while. So I'm more of an investor when it comes to technology versus like upgrading every time the new phone or the new camera or the new computer comes out. So I guess I have a different perspective because I really want things to last and be worth my investment. All right guys, that was everything that I wanted to share with you in this video. It was definitely a little bit different than my usual content, but I always love watching these kind of videos when new phones come out. It's just fun and interesting to hear different people's perspectives and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're thinking about upgrading your phone anytime soon, or if you'd love to see any other phone related content. Maybe I could do an updated what's on my iPhone. If that sounds interesting, maybe not, that's cool too. I'd also just love to hear from you guys in the comments in general. Just tell me how your day's going. Tell me if you love this fire and wish you were sitting by it, because I'm really enjoying myself right now. Make sure to subscribe down below if you're new here. I'd love to have you stick around and join the Curly Hair Love fam. I feel like I have rambled enough in this part of the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and go now, but thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Turn that shit up.